Alright, I did notice one thing that was going on. The character, when jumping in an opposite direction, or just in moving in general, once you would release the key, the character would flip back to the just normal starting position, including in the air, and that's kind of annoying. We don't like that. So, and that's solved by just deselecting the use controller rotation yaw. And if you don't remember, haven't seen, the way that I orient my characters, so it's already just kind of like this, is by searching rotation in the character's blueprint, setting the rotation rate to something large like 99,999, checking orient rotation to movement, deselecting rotation yaw, and then setting the spring arm for the camera to have an absolute rotation, so a world rotation type. And that will allow us to have our character orient wherever we look. Thanks for watching, and sorry about that confusion.